Today we are at Electric Farms, and this is the processing center that we used last year, and it's the processing center that we're going to use in the future to dry cannabis. We've got N-Wave's dryer in here. It's a 10 kilowatt model. N-Wave has really awesome drying technology. This right here was the bucking machine that we used, and there was a trimmer over here in this corner. I'm going to show you that air handler there. Today I'm going to show you what a Mini-Split Bib Kit is too. That's what I use to clean these ductless wall mount air handlers. I installed 4 Samsung ductless heat pumps in this facility. It's 7,000 square foot, and I use those units to make sure that the heating and cooling needs are taken care of, and it's taken care of efficiently. That's why I use Samsung. Not only are they efficient, but they look nice. All right, let me show you this bucket here, because that collects all of the wonderful dirt. Look at this. Now a lot of it's settled at the bottom, but this right here is the bucket. See that right there is the bib. I'll show you the bib. It's over here on this unit. Look at that. That's the second bucket that I've collected from this wall mount air handler. And the air handler was super dirty. Now you can't see any dirt right now because I cleaned it, and it took quite a bit. But I will show you the filters for this air handler here, and this is the one I'm about to put the bib kit on, and I'm going to start cleaning this one. Speed Clean Mini-Split Bib Kit. You need to check that out. It's what I use, and it works well, and it's not expensive, super cheap. All right, let's give you a better view. All right, look at this. Look how dirty this is. Now, this is just, you know, exterior dust. I can rub this with a, a cloth or a towel and get that off, but the coil is what you really want to clean, okay? Because the coil's super dirty. This is the dirtiest air handler. Why? Because it was setting right below the trimmer, and the trimmer is trimming all of the cannabis. Again, that right there is the bucking machine, and this right here is where the trimmer was, and I'm telling you, it was super dirty. Super dirty. I'll show you the filters that I pulled out of this thing. Electric Farms uses N-Wave's drying technology to be able to dry cannabis in record times to retain more cannabinoid, hang drying. And as you can see, look at this. Look how dirty this is. Look at that. Oh my. Wow. Look at this filter. It's filthy. Filter. All right. There's my storage tank right there. Storage tank that I used to, whoopsies. It's a storage tank that I have plumbed to the Samsung modular air-cooled chiller. If you want to check out Samsung chiller, check out my video, Samsung modular air-cooled chiller, or Samsung chiller. I've got a video that I did on that. I love their chillers. I love their wall mount air handlers, their ductless mini splits. I'm going to go ahead and get to it. I'm going to set up this bib kit. First, I got to take this bucket outside and dump it, but Mini-Split Bib Kit. Easy way for you to clean a wall mount air handler like this Max series made by Samsung. This right here is where Electric Farms is going to have the storefront. Super nice. We're doing a lot of cleaning, so please excuse. I'm not going to show you everything. Can't show you the dryer. You'll have to come see it for yourself. We got a lot of work to do tonight. Look at that. You can see just the outside there. And when I get done with these, they're going to look just like that one that I finished over here in this area. And that right there is the storefront back there. That's what that's going to be. This right here is the production area. Those are 2 3-ton units to take care of this area. Those units, they'll do roughly 2,000 square foot apiece. So they'll take care of a 4,000 square foot area. Look how clean that is. Can't wait to get these other units super clean. Inverter technology. All right, man, I'm gonna set the phone down, go ahead and set my Mini-Split Bib Kit up. Oh, first, gotta take that bucket outside. All right, guys. If you're a technician, check out my video, Tips for Technicians, if you wanna learn more about HVAC field work. We are in Brewston, Tennessee. It's late too, guys. Angie, Mike, and Garrett have been working super hard in here. They have been cleaning overtime. set this bib kit up, get my coil cleaner. If you guys want to stick around, that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this unit here. All right, that right there should work. Set that right there. Hopefully my phone won't fall off the hinges. And just slip the bottom of that inside the bucket, like so. And then you've got these two little ears here. They're gray. You've got one on one side. Slip the other one up on this side. Kind of pull the air handler up to the front. Look at that. That just fits right over. Make sure you turn the power off. You definitely don't want the power on. That would be no bueno. No bueno. So yeah, that's it. Basically just put the bib on it. And I'm going to get the water hose, a little rag. We shall be good to go. I'll rinse it out really good, and then I'll spray it with the HVAC. And then I'll rinse it out again. So let's get started. Oh, whoopsies. Yeah, see this coil. I'm going to have to spray this. All right, I'm going to show you the bib kit on the unit and then show you so far just that little bit, you know, like a 30 seconds of me cleaning this thing, like how dirty it really is right now. See that? Look at that. Literally, I mean, look at all that dirt. So dirty. This thing is going to work like a champion. Now, see that? I got one on that side, one on the other side, and it just sits right there below the unit. Pretty simple. I think I got this for like $100. All right, so if you guys need this, here is the part number and the brand name of this. Oh, look, got a patent. Good to have a patent. This is how I clean the mini splits. I don't think I've done a video yet on how I clean these, so figured it would be useful for you guys. If you're a homeowner, you want to learn more about your air conditioner, check out my playlist, Tips for Homeowners. If you want to learn more about technician, field work, check out my playlist, Tips for Technicians. If you guys want to support me, go check out my Patreon. Definitely hit this like button, the share notification. I have to say that just because I need more viewers. It makes me want to do this more. And if I get more viewers, it gives me more time. More support gives me more time to do more videos, guys. All right, I'm going to go ahead and set this up, clean some more. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll definitely keep you cool if you let me. And if you need fresh cannabis, check out electricfarmsllc.com. We've got several products. In fact, I think there's some here. I'll show you some before we end this video real quick here. Of course, we've got lots of fresh flower. Those are 1 pound packages. We've got nitrogen vacuum seal available. All right, check it out. We've got some full spectrum hemp extract right here. This is a distillate, 1,000 milligrams, very price competitive. We have Electric Remedy, which is a skin balm. Look at that, beautiful. Electric Ice. Oh, sorry, I've ruined the display here. Electric Ice, Deep Muscle Rub. Just want to show you a few of the products before I let you go. It's hard to let you go, guys. All right, let's see. Look at this. Look at these packages. Beautiful, beautiful. Electric Farms, check it out. And if you want to know more about M-Wave, check out mwave.net. And you can also go to our website to learn more. So, thanks for watching, guys.